In the heart of Sanatan Dharma stands the fierce and loving goddess Kali. She is the dark mother, protector of Dharma, and destroyer of evil. Her story is one of power, compassion, and cosmic truth. Birth of Kali. Long ago the Devas were tormented by the Asura Rakta Bija. From every drop of his blood a new demon would rise. No warrior could defeat him. The goddess Durga, in her battle rage, released her most terrifying form. From her forehead emerged the dark radiant Ma Kali. Kali's fierce power. Kali stormed into the battlefield. Her eyes blazed red, her tongue dripped with divine energy, and her laughter shook the heavens. With each swing of her sword, demons fell. As Raktabija's blood touched the ground, Kali drank it before it could multiply. This was the only way to stop his endless army. Dance of destruction. Kali's power grew wild. She wore a garland of skulls and a skirt of severed arms. The battlefield trembled under her unstoppable dance of destruction. Even the Devas trembled, praying for balance to be restored. Shiva calms Kali. To stop her fury, Lord Shiva lay down upon the battlefield. Unaware, Kali stepped on his chest. In that instant she realized her beloved had come to calm her. Her tongue stuck out in shock and shame, and her rage melted away. Symbolism of the story. This moment became eternal. Kali standing upon Shiva reminds us that destruction must bow to awareness, and that even the fiercest power has compassion within. She is not only the end, but also the mother who protects her children. Worship of Kali. For centuries, devotees have worshipped Ma Kali with deep faith. In Bengal, Kali Puja is celebrated with lights, devotion, and offerings. Her blessings are believed to remove fear, destroy ego, and grant strength. In closing, Ma Kali is the goddess of time, transformation, and liberation. She teaches us that even in darkness, there is light. She destroys the false so that truth may shine. To remember her is to remember the fearless mother who protects all creation, In another age, the demon Daruka performed great penance and received a boon. No man could kill him. Drunk with arrogance, he tormented sages and spread fear across the land. The gods turned to the divine mother, for only a woman could end Daruka. Kali appeared, fierce and radiant, with a cry that echoed across the heavens. She fought Daruka. He tried to summon his powers, but none could match the goddess. Her sword cut through his arrogance, and in one final strike she destroyed him. Through this, Kali showed that the feminine force is not weak, it is the very energy that sustains and protects the universe. Though fierce against evil, Kali is tender and loving to her devotees. Countless stories tell of her sudden appearances to save her children in moments of danger. One tale speaks of a devotee attacked by bandits in the forest. Surrounded and helpless, he cried out to Kali. Instantly, a terrifying form appeared before the bandits, a dark woman with flaming eyes and a blood-red tongue. Terrified, the bandits fled and the devotee was safe. This shows Kali not only as the destroyer of demons, but as the compassionate mother who hears the cries of her children and rushes to protect them. Kali is more than a goddess of destruction. She is the energy of time itself, the power that ends evil, and the mother who guards her children fiercely. To some she may appear terrifying, but to her devotees she is the most tender mother, always present, always protecting, and always guiding them toward liberation. If these stories inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more divine tales. Kali and Daruka. The demon Daruka gained a boon that only a woman could kill him, The Devas prayed to the goddess and Parvati transformed into Kali, With her terrifying power, Kali destroyed Daruka and his army, restoring balance, This story shows how Kali manifests when evil grows beyond control. The story of Kalikula and Shaktipitha. After Sati sacrificed herself in the fire, Lord Shiva carried her body across the universe, Vishnu cut her body into 51 pieces, which fell to earth as Shakti Pithas, At each side the goddess appeared in different forms, and in some places, she was worshipped as Kali. This story connects Kali to the sacred geography of India, showing that her presence is spread across the world. Kali in the battlefield of Lanka, Ramayan tradition, In some folk versions of the Ramayana, when Ravana's son Meghnada performed powerful rituals, Kali appeared to bless him. But when he used her blessings for destruction, she turned against him. This shows that Kali's grace protects only the righteous, never those who misuse it. Kali and the fishermen of Bengal. A group of fishermen once prayed to Kali before venturing into stormy seas, The waves grew violent, and their boat began to sink. They called upon Kali, and a vision of her rose from the waters, calming the storm and saving them. This is why, in Bengal many fishermen still worship Kali as their protector. The birth of Kali from Durga. In the battle with Shumbha and Nishumbha, goddess Durga's anger grew so fierce that it burst out of her forehead. And from that energy Kali was born. Wild and unstoppable, she destroyed the demons with ease. This story shows that Kali is Durga's most primal, raw, and fierce energy. Kali and the Asura brothers. Shumbha Nishumbha. These demon brothers conquered heaven and threw out the gods. Kali, along with other forms of the Devi, entered the battlefield. She tore through the demon armies, drinking their blood and crushing their pride. In the end, Shumbha and Nishumbha were destroyed, restoring the balance of the universe. If you enjoyed this video and the stories, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more. And let us know which god or goddess you would want a video on. Her most well-known appearance is on the battlefield in the 6th century text Devi Mahatmyam. The deity of the first chapter of Devi Mahatmyam is Mahakali, who appears from the body of sleeping Vishnu as goddess Yoga Nidra to wake him up in order to protect Brahma and the world from two asuras, demons. Madhukat Bhag, when Vishnu woke up, he started a war against the two asuras. After a long battle with Vishnu, the two demons were undefeated and Mahakali took the form of Mahamaya to enchant the two asuras. When Madhu and Katbha were enchanted by Mahakali, Vishnu killed them. Symbolic meanings of Kali's. Kali's appearance vary depending on tantric or devotional approach, and on whether one views her image in a symbolic, allegorical or mystical fashion. There are many varied depictions of the different forms of Kali. The most common form shows her with 4 arms and hands, showing aspects of both creation and destruction. The 2 right hands are often held out in blessing, one in a mudra saying, "Fear not, Abhya Mudra," the other conferring boons. Her left hands hold a severed head and blood-covered sword. The sword severs the bondage of ignorance and ego, tamas, represented by the severed head. One interpretation of Kali's tongue is that the red tongue symbolized the Rajasic nature being conquered by the white, symbolizing Sattvic nature of the teeth. Her blackness represents that she is Nirgun, beyond all qualities of nature, and transcendent, Kali's lolling tongue is interpreted as her being angry, enraged, while many in India interpret it as biting the tongue in shame. Jai Ma Kali. Subscribe.